Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. I've had a lot of you ask me about the Palomar Max mod in the SR94HPC, the Striker 94HPC. This is how I do it, okay? There's really only one place to put it, and that's on this back heat sink here. It won't fit in this spot that they've got carved out of the PC board, of course, because it's too large. So what you have to do is remote mount it. And what I do is drill a hole through this back heat sink here and tap it for a screw. Okay, and then little heat sink, the mica insulator, and the Palomar Max mod mounts on the heat sink, and you run the screw to the threaded hole, and that holds it securely in place. So what I do then, of course, is remove this guy, and you can do that by heating the individual leads and pulling them up with like a pair of tweezers or something, okay, and get that guy out of the way, and then you run the cabling right up there to it. Now try to keep it away from the antenna connector. You don't want the RF getting into it. So if I keep it up like this, usually I haven't had any problems with it. But that's how I do it. So if you're thinking about getting it done, that's a look at the way it gets done. And again, I haven't had any interference problems with this. Okay? All right, guys. 7-3, everybody.